Hello everybody, this is C from Q Kitchen and Beyond, and we're definitely beyond the kitchen today. So, are those little seeds? You know what I want to do. Y'all just hold that thought. Well, look at there. They're just little things. We'll just take them and put them in our bag. I actually have a... that didn't go as planned. I actually have a little bag, but I can't find it at the moment. So I'm just going to stuff these little things down here. Most of them are off. I think I just killed whatever that is. But there are little seeds in here that I'm crushing and carefully over. See? Shoot. And that exposes them. I don't want them exposed. I want to get them home. There it is. Little black seed. Or whatever sort this is. Can't really tell. Anyways. But they got little black seeds in them. So I'm going to put them in my side pocket here. And when we get home, we'll go through it and take out the mystery seeds and see if we can grow them. Because that's what, every normal person does. Not really. No, normal people don't do this. At least that's what they tell me. So that's pretty, whatever that is. I've got an app on my phone that will tell me this, but I don't feel like looking it up right now. It's pretty, whatever it is. That person that just walked in probably thinks I'm over here talking to myself. So if the little men in white jackets come, y'all know what happened. There's a crazy lady outside talking to her phone. That looks weird. Huh. Some really pretty light ground cover. Can you see that? It's all over the ground. Whew, my hair is crazy today. I turn it around, but I don't want to scare anybody. So, some miscellaneous interesting stuff here. All covered in... Oh no, that's not coming in my house. Spiders! No, my kids would have a fit. But whatever it is, it's got little seed pods. Little seed pods that are covered in spiders. So, no, it can stay right there. There's all kinds of flowers in the front. But, every time I got anywhere near them, people looked at me weird. So, they'll be staying in front. I need to go to jail because I picked somebody's flowers, It's a beautiful spruce of some sort. Huh, I don't know. I don't know what kind exactly. So I guess that's the end of this. See it as I can't get to the ones I wanted in the front of the building without people looking at me suspiciously. What's this? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, you know it. Stick it in my pocket. In my pocket. That's literally where seeds go. In my bag. I pulled out seeds the other day. I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot these were here. Because it's perfectly normal for people to just go picking seeds off of plants and stuffing them in the pocket of their satchel. That's completely normal. Don't let anybody tell you any different. That's one of the schools over there. I don't remember. I think it might be McDonald. I'm not sure. But it's really pretty out here. But it's also really cold. Okay. It's 55, which is really cold to this Florida girl. So we're going to close this out, and I'll see y'all a little later. Bye.